Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining. To my new viewers and to my old subscribers, welcome back. This channel is all about natural skincare and general lifestyle. It will pay you to click on the subscribe button to get subscribed to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once I have new content. Today I'll be showing us how I make my own hibiscus detox drink. I call it detox because it helps to detoxify my entire system. I know I need a detox when probably my skin starts getting dull and I have rashes all over my facial skin, especially if I know I've been very consistent with my regimen. Then I'll know there are things on my inside that needs to be flushed out. That is when I now apply my hibiscus detox drink. So here is the hibiscus calyx, also known as zobo leaves. So if you want to get it from your local sellers, you just ask them for zobo leaves. So it's been washed already. I've washed it to remove dust and dirt completely. Then I'll now also dice the ginger. This is ginger. I add it to my detox drink to also help in taking care of my inside as well, because I love the spicy taste it adds to drinks. So I'll go ahead to dice the ginger rhizome. I'm dicing it so it will be able to infuse very well into the liquid I'll boil the zobo petals in. That's what I'm dicing, because if you leave it whole, obviously it won't infuse well into the drink. So I'm done dicing. If you are not using it as a detox drink, or when I'm not using it as a detox drink, I go ahead to add sweeteners. I make use of date nuts. I soak it overnight in water to be able to remove the seed, to deseed it. Then I add it to my ingredients, that's to ginger and 1 cup of hibiscus calyx. I also add pineapple as well, as I use natural sweeteners. I don't use sugar for my hibiscus drink, zobo drink. I don't. So if it is not for a detox, that I just want to take the drink on a normal day, I add dates to it and also add pineapple fruit to it as well. That's the pulp. I add it to it as well. Then boil everything for like 5 to 10 minutes, allow to cool, then I sieve off. You could also soak your hibiscus calyx in water for 1 to 2 days. That way you won't need to boil it at all. except you want to take it hot. That is when you introduce heat. When you soak it for 1 to 2 days, that helps to extract every of the color and the benefits of that hibiscus calyx. That's the difference. But this one, since it's a tutorial I'm showing and I didn't soak it before now, so we'll go ahead to place it on fire with about 4 cups of water for it to boil. Then after boiling, I'll now allow it to cool, sieve off, and I have my detox drink. I take this drink for like 5 days consecutively, then I stop till another time again when I need to detoxify my system. But I'll advise for pregnant women not to take this drink because it's been research has shown that it causes abortion, that is miscarriage. So if you know you're pregnant, stay away from hibiscus tea or drinks. So let's now proceed to put it on fire and boil it to get our drink ready. So here we are. I already have my quantity of water in the pot. Then I'll now add the hibiscus calyx and ginger into the pot as well. Then I'll leave for it to boil for about 5 minutes before bringing down from heat. As you can see, it's boiling and that's boiled for about 5 minutes. I don't want all the nutrients in the herbs to be lost, so I've put off the heat. I'll now leave it to infuse while it cools before sieving off the calyx and ginger, and our drink is ready. Here we are. Our hibiscus detox drink is ready. I've sieved off the hibiscus calyx and the ginger as well. So here we have it ready to drink. Like I said, because it's a detox drink, I don't take it daily. I only use it for 5 days consecutively whenever I need to detoxify my system. After the 5th day, I stop till another time that I need to detoxify again, and that could be once in a month or once in 2 months, depending on what my body needs. Remember I said this works for me, so I'm giving a disclaimer here. Consult your physician before using this drink. It works for me. I don't know about your system because I don't know if you have any health concerns. So please consult your physician if you need to take this drink. It's been working for me and I've been making use of it. But because we are different, so you need to consult your physician if you also need to take this drink. Like I said earlier, when I am not detoxifying my system, like I am taking hibiscus drink as a normal drink, I sweeten with natural sweeteners. I make use of date nuts. I remove the seed and I add the pulp to the hibiscus leaves, the ginger, And I also add pineapple pulp as well before boiling. So the dates and pineapple serve as natural sweeteners, not artificial sweeteners like sugar. I don't make use of sugar for my hibiscus or zobo drink. So it depends on you and what you want. But when I'm not detoxifying, I use natural sweeteners, dates, nuts, and pineapple. You can decide to use whatever you choose. So this is my hibiscus detox drink, just the way I love it. Have you been struggling with acne? Do you have self-esteem issues as a result of scars left by acne? Depression is not the solution. I've put together a book, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne. This book walks you through the different types of acne, how acne develops, what predisposes your skin to breaking out in acne, the different seasons and climates, and what it does to your skin, foods you're supposed to take or steer clear from if your skin is acne prone, and foods that can also help you maintain a flawless skin, the different causes of acne, the basic skincare regimen you can create to go from an acne-ridden skin to a flawless skin. And also, because skincare has to do with your mindset, there are also affirmations that will help you build up what you think about yourself so you can eventually get there. To get a copy of the Acne Handbook, there's a link on the screen and also in the description of this video. Click on it to get yours. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value. Give this video a thumbs up, share to those that need it as well. Click on the subscribe button and notification bell so you always be the first to know once I have new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.